In this video, I will show you how to delete saved password in your Chrome browser and your Google account without any stress. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, let me show you how. Open up your Chrome browser. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Scroll down right here. Click on Google Password Manager. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you locate a particular password that you want to delete from your password manager right here in your Google account. The more you scroll down, the more you see all password right here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this particular website password detail right here. So for that, go ahead and open up the account and verify your identity, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on delete right here. Delete password for this account. The account won't be deleted. Go ahead and click on delete. And you are done. You can delete as many as possible unuseful saved password from your password manager right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.